shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper for July 7th, 2020. We are going to start with the SPY. Yeah, so we did a pretty typical pattern on a breakout. Yep, we do like to retest where we've broken out of this trend line. 315 is such a key level. It's been, just kind of dancing around it right now for the past hour or so. So let's see if after the open, about 10-15 minutes, if we can stay above that 315. Remember, the first 10-15 minutes is the shakeout period. Yeah, so we don't want to enter a day trade. You definitely want to wait a little bit. Bearish below 313 is that bear below level. Let's go to the E-minis. Bullish above 3150. And we are flirting around with that level too. Bear below 3137. The Russell is definitely much weaker. Yeah, definitely. We're going to be bullish only above 142.50. Bear below 141.25. The Qs are definitely the strongest out of the indexes right now. We're going to be bullish above 258.25 and bear below 256. Let's go to those NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 10,600. I picked nice whole numbers for these. Bearish below 10,500. Let's check out the oil futures. These are August. CLQ 20. We're going to be bullish above 40.40. And we're going to be bearish below 39.87. Yeah, let's see if we can go above. We're testing it right now. Yeah, let's definitely see if we can hit that pivot or not for the oil futures. And let's head on to gold. Gold, we're going to be bullish above 1786 and bear below 1780. Yeah, that's definitely been also teasing that upper level. All right, we'll see how things go when we open up. I have a feeling today might be a little shaky. You guys feeling that? I feel like we're going to get shaked a lot. Feels like a shaky day. Be careful. Mary Beth agrees. Yeah. I feel, so does Otis. Yeah, so just stay nimble. In days like that, I start off small. Yeah, you know, when you've been doing this a long time. We'll see, but I feel like it's going to get off to a shaky start. Bullish above 1320 for American Airlines. Bear below 1225. I mean, look at this thing. This thing is trying to stay in this wedge as long as possible. I'm going to zoom in. It's ridiculous. How long can a stock stay in a wedge? Yep. It's really holding on to that apex for its life. I don't know. It's waiting for something. Let's go to NEO. NEO, bullish above 12. Bearish below 11.25. All right, I spotted quite a few sellers on the ARCA book at 12 and buyers at 11 on both books, actually. Let's go check it out for a sec. Oh, you know what? I can't see the 12 anymore because we've gone down. But they were there. I actually took a picture of it earlier. And they're buying at 11. That we can see because we moved down. Yep, they're still there. See this right here on the ARCA. And let's see. Yep, look at that. Big buyer on the INET, the NASDAQ book viewer. Yeah, so definitely a battle. 11 and 12 on this NEO. Watch those levels carefully. Let's head on over to GLD. So we are still above the prints, but yet doesn't really want to go higher. It's retraced back to the 4 and the 8. It's kind of stuck in between. This is like not a great spot, but once it becomes unstuck, it'll be a good trade. So that's why I picked bullish above 167.50 for the upside and bearish below 166. I had to go below all the prints. Yeah, we had a big print at 166.51 and 166.31. So that's why I picked the 166 level. It's been really testing those prints. ET, this was the bomb trade yesterday in the Java pit. A lot of us were holding on to some puts that we actually thought were going to expire worthless. Remember we had that massive sell print back up here. It just took a while, a couple days. We went sideways and then slam. We got that news yesterday that was negative for the stock. But of course, we got the prints first. Today, we're going to be bullish only above 680 if it can climb that high. Look, we had big prints yesterday at 679. I don't like the bullish trade. And 655, we kind of have some interference with the 8 EMA, and we have an R1 above us at 686. Yeah, so be mindful of that. If we were to go there, I'd have to be bullish above the prints, but it is bearish. The 6 level is really key. I picked 594 because we had like a Camarilla just under 6. I wanted to go below that. All right, so bear below 594. Let's go to Tesla. Otis rocking Tesla all day yesterday. You gonna trade Otis today? Are you gonna trade Tesla? I know it's your favorite stock. So did you buy a Tesla yet? I want to know. No. Okay. Just like to trade it. Bullish above 1420. Yeah, 1420 big level. Bearish below 1380. All right, those are my levels. Sticking to it. Let's go to Workhouse. Aaron got excited about that 420 level. Workhouse. We're going to be bullish above 1750 and bearish below 15 for Workhouse. Let's go to Plug. Really good volume on these guys this morning. Plug 10 is a really big level, bullish above 10, bear below 940. There's a big buyer on the INET. Let's see if he's still there. Hold on a sec. Let's check it out. You know what? He disappeared. Very sneaky. He was spoofing. Look, he moved it down to 930, probably. Yeah, spoofing. Because they didn't take him out. We've only gone to 961. And I know because I was taking pictures this morning. In fact, look. You see him right here? See 940, he was right there. 132, he moved it. He's spoofing. It's so illegal, but we see it every day. That was a really good example. Only because I was snapping pictures this morning. Yeah, taking pictures for my free event coming up next week. Yep, on Thursday, the 16th, 11 o'clock, I'm doing a webinar for the traders that have the Dark Pool app, giving them a couple of secrets to trading around the Dark Pool. So definitely don't want to miss that. Make sure you register for that event. You need to register, and we'll give you a link the day before. Yeah, so I'll be teaching you some really good stuff. You don't want to miss out on that. So Plug bearish below 940. I'm going to keep that level, but watch that spoofing guy over there. Yeah, he's up to no good. All right, AYRO. Bullish above 650. Bearish below 525. You know what's interesting yesterday is we got that print on AYRO. Showed you guys, but check this out. This is a first. Internal cross. That's the condition. Anybody familiar with that in the Java pit? Internal cross. Seems like a broker crossed the trade within themselves. That's what I'm going to guess that is. Yep. If anybody knows anything, yeah, I've never really seen this condition. Yep. So, yeah, and look at the market, exactly. The market is 0 by 0. Interesting. So not really sure what to make, but I would definitely watch this 575 level on AYRO. Yeah, very interesting. Oh, you used to do them, John? All right. Thank you, John. John in the Java Pit. That's what I thought. So is it like one trader saying, hey, I'll sell you 452,000 shares of AYRO at 575, and the other guy says, sure, and they just cross it? One's short, one's long, and they cross it to be... I could picture that. Yep, when I worked at my firm. Yeah, I could picture them doing that. All right, so it doesn't really give us a bias. No. It's not really a bias trade, but still, it's got a lot of pre-market volume. Yep. So, yeah, bullish above 650, bear below 525. We went down to 526 and popped. There was a buyer at 540 earlier this morning. Yeah, it looks like they're bouncing it off there. So watch. Yeah, see this 541 guy? Yeah. There's definitely some buying interest. And that's really right on the VWAP too. See the VWAP area? On the daily chart. Very strong. Yeah, I love the VWAP on the daily chart. It's my favorite. All right, let's go to Apple. Apple bullish above 375 and bear below 372 for Apple. There you have it. Those are your whispers for July 7th. Until next time, happy trading.
No thinking, that's my secret.